kung digging ang purpose nyo doon, mag-hukay. Bakit parang babae ba yan? Parang babae yan. Lalaki ba yan? Minor. Bakit kayo gumamit ng minor?
Your Honor, I do believe at this point in time na wala namang nag-establish na minor. Those are all allegations. And I can categorically say na walang minor dun, sir. Baka mukhang bata lang.
Mukhang bata, pero
Mukhang bata lang, but really,
for the record,
sir, na.
for the record, pinasok mo yun
It's
for the
what the-
purpose of digging or
Yes,
for
sir.
the purpose of baka mamaya ang apprehension nila is gagamitin na naman ninyo doon sa loob na parang victim of trafficking na naman.
Of course not, sir. The purpose,
Yung apprehension nila, ha? Pero for the record,
the
you say it for the record.
instruments indicate that our targets could be 4 meters below ground. And I believe that we need experts on this matter, especially on digging this hole, because we want to ensure that these people have the experience. That's something that the police does every day. So who are the people who knows and has the experience on digging? Minero, sir.
So, with that, the GMC...
Yes, sir. It's part of our presentation later on, sir. Andiyan sa presentation ko, sir.
Kaya nga, in-admit mo.
Yes, sir.
Kala ko hindi mo i-admit. I am ready to send you in contempt kung hindi.
Yes.
Ako mismo, you have no way to lie before me because ako mismo, pinuntahan ko kanina sa inspection kanina, kinukay namin doon, very fresh pa yung simento na ginawa at nung natanggal yung simento, yung mga kabilya na nilagay doon, hindi kabilya na construction na related kabilya, kundi kung saan na pulot na kabilya yon. And yung lupa is very loose. But then, that's immaterial anymore to discuss about that because you admit that you did the digging below that the basement.
On the kind of destruction that Fist of Cadet First Class Bato de la Rosa, sir, can come to them if they violate the rules, sir. So I really will not dare to do that and lie to you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Bishop,
sir.
yes, Bishop, because, it pains me to cite you in contempt if I need to do that because you are the regional director of this particular police regional office of this region. And that would be a slap on the PNP kapag ang kanilang boss ay na-cite in contempt.